In our problem, we will follow the PEMDAS rules. So we must do the parentheses first. After that, the exponents. Then multiplication or division. At last, addition or subtraction. You know that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same for addition and subtraction. Now let's start the solution. In this problem we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also we have this parentheses. By implementing the PEMDAS rules, we must do this parentheses first. After that we do this multiplication. And at last we do this subtraction. So first we do this parentheses. We have
2
minus
17
equals
minus 15.
and the problem became
2
minus
17
times,
minus 15.
and now we must do this multiplication first.
17
Times,
minus 15
which gives us,
minus 255.
now the problem became
2
minus,
minus 255,
which gives,
257.
and this was the final answer for our problem.